Assalamualaikum and good day to all. Today we are going to learn chapter 6, learning standard, determine the value of sine, cosine and tangent for angles in quadrants 2, 3, 4 based on the corresponding reference angle. Or we call it in class the alpha. Okay, so first and foremost, let's revise a bit about the quadrant. So we have 4 quadrants. Okay, quadrant 1 is from 0 degree to 90 degree. Quadrant 2 is from 90 degree to 180 degree. Quadrant 3 is from 180 to 270 degree. Quadrant 4 is from 270 degree to 360 degree. So the next thing you need to know is where is the corresponding reference angle. For the first quadrant, there is no problem. The angle is already less than 90 degree. Okay, and then at the second quadrant, our corresponding reference angle is here. Okay, it must be in between this blue line and also the x-axis. Okay, that is our corresponding reference angle. At the quadrant 3 is here and quadrant 4 is here. Okay, next, how do we determine the value? First, you need to know when we determine the value, okay, in the first quadrant, all value are positive. All value for trigonometric ratio is positive. When I say all, meaning that the sine value would be positive, the cos value will be positive, also the tangent value will be positive. This is basic. At the second quadrant, we use the alpha. Okay, here only sine value is positive. At the third quadrant, only tangent value is positive. Okay, and at the fourth quadrant, only cos value is positive. Okay, I always remember it like this. Okay, add sugar to coffee. Okay, that is how I remember which quadrant has the positive value. Okay, next, let's try example A. Example 4A. Okay. Example 4A, we want to find the value for sine 104 degree. Okay, obviously 104 degree is more than 90 degree, so we need to use the quadrant. So first step is to draw our So first step, we need to draw and decide where 104 degree belong to. So here is 0 degree, here is 180 degree, and here is 90 degree. Okay, from 0 degree to, stop. So that could be our 104 degree, okay? Okay, it is less than 180 degree, but more than 90 degree. So the corresponding reference angle is here. Okay, that is our first step, to draw 104 degree and to decide where is our corresponding reference angle. The second step is to decide are the value is going to be negative or positive. Okay, first we look at which quadrant our alpha belong to. So as you can see, here is quadrant 1, here is quadrant 2, here is quadrant 3, and here is quadrant 4. So our alpha belongs to quadrant 2. So in quadrant 2, what values is positive? So add sugar to coffee. Yes, at second quadrant, sine value is positive. So we are finding the value for sine 104 degree. So with all the information we already get, we write down sine 104 degree Therefore, we write down sine 104 degree is equal to positive because our corresponding reference angle is at the second quadrant. So, I just put first the positive sign. Okay, and then we are going to use the reference angle of, yes, okay, 100. To find the alpha, we need to minus 180 degree minus 104 degree. So, positive, no need to write down degree. And then, we take our calculator and press, okay, and press sine, press 76, and then we press equal. Then you get the answer, 0.9703. Okay, let's have a look at question B. Okay, we have cos 208.2 degree. So first and foremost, we decide where does 208.2 degree belongs to. Okay, it must be more than 180 but less than 270 degree. So it is here. Okay, then I need to decide where is my corresponding reference angle. It is here. Okay, in between this blue line and my x-axis. Okay, so our alpha is here. Then we decide the alpha belong to which quadrant. So this is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. And then add sugar to coffee. So at this corresponding reference angle in the third quadrant, only tangent value is positive. Okay, other than tangent values will be negative. So I write down again. Cos 208.2 degree is equal to, this is cos. Okay, it is not tangent. So when it is not tangent, the value is going to be negative. Negative cos alpha. To find our alpha is 208.2 degree minus 180 degree. So, it is equal to negative cos 28.2 degree. Okay, and then just put negative at the front and push our calculator, cos 28.2 and equal. Then you will get 0.8813. Still in the learning standard of determine the value of sine, cosine and tangent for angles in quadrant 2, 3 and 4 based on the corresponding reference angle. But now the corresponding reference angle are special angles of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So let's revise a bit. Where does 30, 45 and 60 degree belongs to? Okay, they are belong to equilateral triangle and also isosceles triangle. Let's have a look at the equilateral triangle. So when I say triangle, is that a triangle is also equal to equals of which is so from as here, I cut the triangle half, it equals so I cut there. This is the this. Yeah, this. Okay, so triangle separation between this. Yes, so this is this is the okay, I will say that the triangle is equal to I take one triangle here, right here, and go. This is so it's the first this is okay, so let's say I give you s equals to s equals to okay. This here is special value each side of this special triangle it is okay. And one person so I'm here is triangle it has the left each side it shows special value is only yeah in fact I will say of the left is equal to y equals to one side plus one side y equals to I will measure the size of here so I think for this is 80 or 100 here To determine the value of sine, cosine, and tangent for angles in quadrant 2, 3, and 4 corresponding to angle 30, 45, and 60 degree. So let's have a look at A. So in A, I have cos 150 degree. Okay, so first and foremost, as usual, we draw the quadrant. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360 degree. And then we decide 150 degree is going to be here. More than 90 degree, less than 180. Okay, next we decide the corresponding reference angle is here. Okay, the second step is to find out whether the value is going to be negative or positive. So, where is alpha belongs to? It belongs in the second quadrant. Yes, in the second quadrant, okay, add sugar to coffee. So, at the second quadrant, only sine value is positive. We have cos here. So, the value must be negative. Okay, so I write down again. My cos 150 degree now is going to have a negative value. And then I find out properly. Okay, so negative cos. So here I get 30 degree. Okay, now you put a negative here first. And then we look at here, we have a special angle of 30 degree. When I saw special angle 30 degree, I draw my special right angle triangle with 30 degree in it. And then I put down all the unit ratio for that right angle triangle. Okay. So to find cos 30 degree, adjacent over hypotenuse. So I use 30 degree angle here. My adjacent is the side that is parallel or selari dengan 30 degree. The value is square root 3. And my hypotenuse is 2. So I put this value to here. So the answer will be negative square root 3 over 2. I have tangent 225 degrees. So first and foremost, draw our quadrant and decide where 225 degree belongs to. So from 0, more than 90, more than 180, less than 270. So it is here. So decide our alpha. Our alpha is going to be here. Okay. And then I need to decide my value is going to be negative or positive. So I think so I know this is first, second, third, and fourth. Add sugar to coffee. So in the third quadrant where my reference angle is, the tangent value is going to be positive. Yes, we are going to find the value for tangent. So the value is going to be positive. Okay, next we write down tangent 225 degree is equal to positive tangent. Okay, we find out the alpha. 225 degree minus 180 degree. Okay, we don't need to put down positive there. Okay, we only find out the corresponding 45 special right angle triangle here. Okay, there are an isosceles triangle with one unit. This is 45 degree, and here is square root 2. Then to find tangent 45 degree is TOA opposite over adjacent. So let's say I choose the upper side angle of 45 degree here. My opposite side is 1 unit over my adjacent side is 1 unit. So it equals to 1. So the answer is 1.